to swimming. That's when you opened up your heart and you told me to come and hold my hand.
इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं मैनचेस्टर के डाउनटाउन में, जहां सिटी सेंटर में आईसीसी ने यानी वर्ल्ड कप की मैनेजमेंट ने यहाँ एक एहतमाम किया है, जहां पर जो लोकल्स हैं वो आके मैचेस देख सकते हैं। 3 दिन का ये फेस्टिवल है जो मैनचेस्टर सिटी में हो रहा है, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे। और उनका ये कहना है कि ये जो फेस्टिवल है ख़ास तौर पर पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के मैच के लिए उन्होंने मुनक़्क़िद किया है, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं और यहाँ आना चाहते हैं और गेम्स देखना चाहते हैं। तो ये है मैनचेस्टर डाउनटाउन, जहाँ पर आईसीसी वर्ल्ड कप 2019 का जोशो खरोश अरूज पर है।
Initially seconds away from the start of a performance from Band 1, local steelman within those Caribbean vibes. Maybe you can take it away, Roy.
Pakistan and India play. Who do you support?
Depends on one of the team. Either Pakistani, we might go Pakistani.
I support India.
You support India.
Yeah, a lot of Indian friends back home.
All right. Well, whoever you support, we all support cricket. We have a great cricket World Cup.
Yeah, it was great for have the team.
All right.
You know, keep the country going and keep the world moving as well.
Awesome. All right. Thank you.
But that's not the same as the chance of it raining at any one time. A lot of the time there's a percentage chance, which might be a low percentage, and actually that means it doesn't rain at all.
Well, the rain, yeah, it's not good, but the weather forecast is improving, and so it is better for India-Pakistan. It's going to be a big game. It's going to be very exciting. Here in the fan zone, there'll be a lot of people here tomorrow, and there'll be a great atmosphere for the game. I think, you know, anyone with an interest in cricket will be aware this is just a really, really big match.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going.